Oh shit, go away, go, Carl. Better pick that garbage up. Boy, that's some garbage, eh? Victor, you bump all of the... Boy, look at that, eh? Victor, you run right into him, Victor. That was disgusting. You even jumped from front court. Instant replay, but he says you jumped from front court. You're in violation of like flicking 3 different things, King. Try kill your partner and all just for a spike. Boy.
I don't know where they got They got a team play out
It's a team that's kicking ass, ladies and gentlemen.
Ball!
I thought he's coming out of. Hey, I was done falling backwards. I stick my nose in your feet.
No, you got
Short! You eat that, dog!
What the frick?